I've got the 3-month chart pulled up on Square, guys, and I have been recommending this stock since it was back in the $30 to $40 range. I hold a very long-term position on Square, and I'm going to be honest with you, back at the start of October, this stock got killed, okay? So back on the 11th of October, guys, I made a video explaining why Square stock fell off $30 pretty much overnight. So as you can see here on the chart, the Square stock traded up to $100 and $101 at one point in early October, and then it fell off really hard around the 11th and the 12th of October. Like I said, getting as low as $63 and $64 a few times before it made a brief recovery and then tanking off a bit more as the overall markets went and trended downward. So in that video, guys, what we talked about was CFO Sarah Friar. She was announced she was going to be leaving Square and moving on with her career. And also, guys, there was a upgrade by Goldman Sachs. They raised their price target, but Palmer come out and drop their price target on Square down to $30 per share. So between CFO Sarah Friar leaving the company, the overall markets being down, and Palmer giving Square such a negative stock rating, Square has really gotten beaten up through the month of October and November. So I have managed to add to my position in some of these big dips. And like I said, let's go take a look at the good news they got today. So Square shares rise after Citigroup upgrades them ahead of earnings. Now, guys, let me just come out and say this. This is a very bold move for Citigroup to come out and upgrade a stock right before earnings. Okay, they must feel very confident about that. Usually, most of these big investing firms and banks try not to make any of their ratings near earnings time, because just in case the stock plummets off really hard, falls off really hard, or in case they have to make an adjustment to their analyst rating. Okay, so this is a very confident move by Citi. Now, guys, Square has been an absolutely wonderful investment, especially if you've been buying this stock for a few years. Like I said, I've done many videos on Square, and I'm still very confident about this company's future. Citi upgrades Square. They gave them a $90 price target. Okay, currently on this channel, I hold a $100 price target, and we have actually met that price target and have taken a big decline since. But this $90 price target is 20% higher than Monday's closing price. Okay. Now, the reasons they're giving for it, guys, they're saying Square's spending plans and San Francisco headquarters expansion indicate the company will grow stronger for longer, and we believe the company is positioned well to grow in line with some category leaders in payments and software. So, I think everybody should be aware of how disruptive PayPal and Square have been. And PayPal had an amazing Q3 earnings report, and it really would appear that Citigroup is very confident in the numbers that they're going to report tomorrow. So tomorrow after market close, I'm going to be live streaming Square's earnings report. It would be a lot of fun if you could come hang out for a little while. But I'm very excited to see what kind of price action and what kind of report and guidance we get from Square tomorrow. So anyways, guys, tomorrow 3 p.m. Central Time, I'll be live streaming Square's earnings, and hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.